got it. I think that is like, honestly, this song is hilarious.
I love that song.
As a dog parent or a cat parent, our biggest fear is our pet getting out. But little did you know, Julie, that wasn't really the biggest issue here. And so we have Julie and Terry in the house. We're here at PuriFi in Scottsdale with a new foundation called Oakley's Oath. This was a nightmare that you never expected.
Correct.
And so because of this nightmare, I'd like to think that when bad things happen, good things can come from it. And Julie, you have made this a real effort to get the word out. And now it's not only about pets, it's also about your kids as well, because this is just something that, it gives me chills thinking about it. It was a total accident, but it could have been avoided.
100%.
Check out little Oakley. Okay, come on. You know we love our dogs more than our kids. Oh, did I say that out loud?
No.
They don't talk back. They're so sweet and lovable. And I think the worst part is that they don't know better, right? They're so innocent. So what happened?
Yes, so 3 years ago, we had a roofer who didn't tell us we were going to put a plastic tarp on our pool. And Oakley, named after sunglasses, because my husband's an optometrist.
Cute.
Never showed interest in the pool. I let him out to go potty, and he fell in because the surface looked different, and he probably thought it was solid.
Oh, my gosh. And then he couldn't get out.
I tried to save him, and it was too late.
He's so cute.
No, Oakley with his front tooth.
So I guess the miscommunication here was that you had no idea. Like, you're right, your dog was used to it a certain way all the time. Nothing ever changed until this one day when they did something different. And with our kids, you know, even if they could have left the gate open. Your goal now is to educate people, to educate contractors, I would assume.
And service providers. Anyone coming into your home becomes a hazard because different things happen. So had we communicated, I know that this wouldn't have happened.
Yeah.
I didn't realize my roof and pool had anything to do with
why
each
would
other.
you? Yeah, no, why would you think about that?
Any type of contractor, like you were saying,
Your
someone
pool
could leave
cleaner.
a gate open.
Yeah.
A kid, and I do believe Oakley took one for a child.
Yeah, I
So
agree.
we just want to, inform people, and I don't want this to happen to anyone else. Anything can happen.
Right.
And we're just trying to avoid preventable accidents.
Okay, so PuriFi has come into this, which I love. So we have Terry here who works for PuriFi. PuriFi is amazing. If you haven't looked at what air you're breathing, you really need to look at it, because in your home, you are breathing in so many bad particles, and outside too. But inside, where you spend most of your time, most of your life, is in your own home. Do you know what you're breathing in? And PuriFi can fix that.
PuriFi is indoor air purification, the ultimate indoor air purification. And what we've provided here for Oakley's Oath is an opportunity for Oakley's Oath to be our first nonprofit affiliate.
So what does that mean? That means if you buy a PuriFi system and you mention Oakley's Oath, that the money, a portion of that money will go towards the nonprofit.
20%.
20%. How about that? So
20%.
You're getting clean air and you're supporting Oakley's Oath, which is amazing.
We're both saving lives. I'm
Right.
trying to save lives, PuriFi's trying to save lives, and you're trying to help us with our message to
I
save lives.
I feel like lung cancer has become such a big thing, and people go, "Oh, were they a smoker?" No, right? I think you're hearing that more and more and more and
More
more.
and more and more.
That people are getting lung cancer and have never smoked a cigarette a day in their life.
I came over from the American Lung Association, so I can attest to that 100%, that lung cancer is on the rise in the groups at the 25 to 35.
Wow.
And they've never smoked.
And it's strictly because we're breathing in so many toxins just in our daily life.
100%. We're just inviting you to come join us at the PuriFi Experience Center. Let us take a tour. Let us show you
What
what
it's all
it is
about.
you're breathing and what's going on. October 19th, Oakley's Oath has a fundraiser coming up. You can decorate cookies with Goodies by Max.
And apparently those cookies are amazing. I'm
They're-
out of town, but
They're to die for. They're so good.
I love a cookie too. I'm kind of sad I'm going to miss this one. And then I know there's Barktoberfest, which I've got 24/7 dogs. They're going to be there. Everybody's going to be there. Anybody that loves dogs is going to be at this thing. You've got to come.
And then we're having a cool ribbon cutting for Oakley's Oath here at PuriFi too, so hopefully you guys can join us then.
Okay,
Coming
and
up.
tell us how they can get involved.
Volunteers, sponsors, anyone that has had an experience that they want to share with us, because we're collecting data from residents. If we communicate and educate, less things happen.
Sure, of course. And awareness, because you probably weren't, as She just thought she was getting a new roof. Who would ever in a million years think that that would be the outcome?
I'd rather a leaky roof. My roof does not leak, but I'd rather a leaky roof than my dog.
No, I
losing my
totally
dog.
agree.
Yeah.
And you can't go back and do it over. So,
No.
but we can move forward and educate and hope that we can help the next person that comes into the situation.
Yes.
There it is, Oakley's Oath, PuriFi at Scottsdale Road and Franklin Wright. By the way, Oakley's Oath is inside PuriFi, so you might see Julie here. Do you spend a lot of time here?
Yeah.
She does.
Yeah.
Yes.
There you go. And Terry's office, we're actually in Terry's office right now. It's right behind the front desk, so you can wave to her too when you come in. Ask for
Always.
Terry.
Yes.
Always.
Yes. All right, you
Thank
guys.
you.
Bye.
Bye.